Guys, let me welcome you. I'm gonna make some cold brew coffee, the New Orleans style. This is actually a can that was purchased just outside NOLA. So I've got some nice glasses for the cold brew coffee. And the machine here you can see Infinissima. I think it's gonna work nicely. So what we need first is a bit of ice. So let's do it. There we are. That should be perfect. All right. Now, what we need to do, turn on the coffee machine. All right. And get the thing ready. So, this is actually brand new, unique coffee experience, and instead of brewing it hot, you brew it cold. So it's supposed to be really mild. What is the advantage? Here you are. This is the cold brew versus iced coffee, and you can see here it says in fact that it's milder, that it's much less intensive, and it's got a bit of caramel, and obviously you brew it cold, so that's the difference. Alright, so let's try it out and let me tell you how it tastes. So here's the instructions, but it's actually very easy. This is the same thing we did. So we already have the ice. Now we need the coffee. So the capsule is here. Put it in. Alright, close it up in the machine. Okay, let's place the cup underneath. It's supposed to be 300 ml of coffee, so about the size, the full size of the cup. And let's do it. Okie dokie, here he comes. Okay, I have poured exactly 300 mils into the cup, so let's try it and let's have a taste. Oh, it all looks really delicious, and it's real hot outside. It's like 25, so this should cool us down nicely. Alright, I have it ready here, as you can see. So cold brew, you can see the ice cubes in there, and let's have a taste. This is nice. It's not as bitter as normal espresso, and it's really mild, so really thirst quenching. If you want it a bit sweeter, you can add some sugar. Otherwise, it's cool to drink like that. Again, thanks for watching, and see more Nespresso as well as Nescafe films.